Hello, hi, how are you? This is Dr. Guncel. Yeah, Nadia, nice to meet you. Hi, how are you? This is Dr. Guncel. Nice to meet you too. Before you had operation on your nose, yeah?
I mean, 15 years ago, sorry.
This is rhinoplasty. So I check your internal rhinoplasty. If we find subtle cartilage here, we put it here. So I use this subtle cartilage. If I don't use, it's not suitable. So I use ear cartilage or costal cartilage.
Okay.
It depends on your nose shape, okay? I will decide it in operating room. If you have a little bit excessive keep on upper eyelid, okay?
More this side, yes.
Yes. Pentalift. Mid-face lift, temporal lift like this, and brow lift.
Yeah.
Okay, together.
Yeah.
That's all. As you see, we fix nasolabial fold and then corner of your mouth and then jawline is better than before. And then this is the fold. We move up. So this is not tired appearance like this. This is tired appearance, but this is good appearance. And then temporal lift and brow lift together. I'll show you nose simulation on the screen. This replica. So after operation, better than this shape. This is approximately shape because I cannot manage your shadow and light on the screen. In operating room, I fix it your shadow and light. 1 millimeter is so important for our result. So it should be symmetrical than before. So I pin it then. If you have any question, you can write on the spread and we will talk about that again before the surgery. Before and after. Before and after. Before and after. It's narrower than before, okay? Because your dorsum and base of your nose, white, should be narrow. But not too much. Okay, thank you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you again. Thank you. See you.